Okay, write down fifth problem. Given A is equal to D is equal to 8, Sn equal 90, find n and an. Write down fifth problem.
Okay, given A is equal to D is equal to 8, Sn equal 90, find n and an. Okay, next problem. So what is given? First term is given, common difference is given, sum of nth term is given. Find n, an. So number of terms find out చేయాలి an అంటే n వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తే అంత. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ n వాల్యూ 5 వచ్చిందనుకో ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ ఈస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ అని మీనింగ్. ఓకే, సో ఆర్ ఇన్ AP already, so in AP. So condition only, which condition is taking? Sn equal 90 condition. Sn is equal 90. So what is Sn? Sum of nth term, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal 90. So n is find out, n by 2, 2a. How much a value? 2 plus n minus 1 into d value how much? 8. Just substitute the value equal to 90. n into divided by 2 is transposing right side. What is meaning? 90 into 2. Division by 2 is transposing into 2. So remaining terms 2 2 are 4 plus 8 into n, 8n, 1 into 8, 8. Okay, n into 8n is done, plus 4 minus 8, how much? 8 lo 4 subtracted 4, big number symbol 4, minus big number symbol 8 symbol is minus, so 8 lo 4 subtracted 4, 90 2 are 180. So multiplied by n in each term, n into n, n square and 8n square minus n into 4, 4n is equal 180. So 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal 0. What is this? Is a quadratic equation. So each term is divisible by 4. 4. Each term is divisible by 4. So 8 1 ja 8, 1n square minus 4 1 ja, 8 2 ja, 4 2 ja 8, 2n square minus 4 1 ja 4. So next 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20. So once again 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16, 2 is there, 4 5 ja 20 is equal 0. So is a quadratic equation. Okay, write down these steps. First write down. Continue next. Okay, continue. 2n square minus 1n minus 45. N square coefficient 2. So n square coefficient is taken and constant is taken. Minus 45. How much? Minus 90. Minus 90 is splitting. So middle term how much? Minus 1 middle term. Middle term minus 1. So addition గాని subtraction గాని చేస్తే minus 1 రావాలి. Any two numbers taking, ఏవైనా two numbers తీసుకుంటే ఆ two numbers multiply చేస్తే 90 రావాలి. సో 90 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? 10 9 జా సరిపోతుంది. సో బిగ్ నెంబర్ సింబల్ మైనస్, స్మాల్ నెంబర్ ప్లస్, మైనస్ 9 ప్లస్ 9, మైనస్ 10 ప్లస్ 9 మైనస్ 1 సరిపోయింది. 2n స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 10n ప్లస్ 9n minus 45 equal 0. So 2 10, which table? 2 table, n square n, 1n common, only n, 2n into n, 2n square minus 2 5 are 10, same n minus 5, same is equal 0. Which number is common? 9 45, which table? 9 table, 9 into n, 9n, plus into minus minus 9 5 are 45, n minus 5, 2n plus 9 is equal 0. n minus 5 equal 0, n equal to 5. 2n plus 9 equal to 0. Plus 9 is transposing minus 9. n equal to minus 9 by 2. So n value fraction form lo కానీ negative numbers లో కానీ రాకూడదు. So negative వచ్చింది, fraction వచ్చింది. So is not taken. Therefore number of terms n equal to 5. Next, what is the find out? an. an means a5. a5 means a plus 4d. What is the value of a? So please, so a value 2 and d value 8 already given. A value 2 and d value 8. Find n and s. N value 5. a plus a value 2 plus 4 into d value 8. So 2 plus 8 4 ja 32. 2 plus 32 a5 equal to 34. Okay, write down a5 equal to 34.
So very important. Write down next problem.
Write down next problem. an is equal to 4, d is equal to sn equal to minus 14. Find n and a find out chali. So write down question first. So very important. Two conditions is given. First condition an equal to 4. Second condition sum of n term equal to minus 14. An means nth term is given or last term. Last term or nth term. And L value 4, an value 4. Sn equal to minus 14. So what is the find out? N no a. Number of terms, first term. So condition 1 is taking, what is this condition? Last term or last term L ayina anachu, an ayina anachu is equal to 4. What is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. A value find out. So n value find out. How much d value? 2 is equal to 4. A plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. A plus 2n minus 2 is transposing right side, 4 plus 2. A plus 2n is equal to 6. So A is equal to how much? 6 minus 2n. In case ekkadana use aithe apply cheyadam. A value substitute cheyochu. This condition 1 nunchi. Which condition? Nth term is given. Okay, given. Next, idala AP lo. Next, second condition Sn equal to minus 14. What is the sum of n terms? N by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 14. N is the find out 2. What is the value of a? 6 minus 2n we substitute. So please observe 2a, a value substitute 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n is substitute plus n minus 1 into how much d value 2 is equal to minus 14. N by 2, 2 into 6 12, 2 2 ja 4n plus 2 into n 2n minus 1 into 2 2 is equal to minus 14. Clear, observe. 2 6 are 12 minus 2 2 ja 4n plus n into 2 2n minus 1 into 2 2 is equal to minus 14. So division by 2 is transposing next. Division by 2, sorry, division by 2 transposing into 2. Okay, division by 2 is transposing into 2. Next, minus 4n plus 2n, which terms? Like terms. So big number symbol minus 2n. 12 minus 2, ఇక్కడ ఏం లేకుండా ప్లస్ ఉన్నట్టు, ప్లస్ 12 minus 2 plus 10 is equal minus 14 into 2. So multiply minus 2n squared plus n into 10, 10n is equal minus 28. Say minus 2n squared plus 10n minus 28 transposing plus 2n is equal 28 is equal 0. So first symbol minus ఉంది, దాన్ని టర్మినేట్ చేసాం. డివిజన్ బై మైనస్. సో మైనస్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది ప్లస్, ప్లస్ చేస్తే మైనస్, మైనస్ చేస్తే ప్లస్ చేసినాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మైనస్, మైనస్ చేస్తే ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. ఈచ్ నెంబర్ మైనస్ తో డివిజన్ చేసినప్పుడు ప్లస్ చేస్తే మైనస్ వస్తుంది, ప్లస్ చేసినాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మైనస్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈచ్ టర్మ్ ఈస్ డివిజన్ బై 2. ఇప్పుడు 2 తో చేస్తున్నాం. 2 1 జా 2 అంటే 1 n స్క్వేర్, 2 5 జా 10, 2 1 ja 2 4 ja is equal 0 is a quadratic equation. Okay, write down. Continue next step. So ఇది కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలా. లాస్ట్ న సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. ఫైండ్ n and a value is equal 6 minus 2n. లాస్ట్ న కూడా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. Okay, write down. Next step, continue. Write down. Okay, n square minus 5n minus 14. N square coefficient means 1. 1 into minus 14 minus 14. Middle term minus 5. Splitting ja which table? So 2 table. 2 7 ja. So plus 2 minus 7. సరిపోతుంది. 2 numbers ను multiplication చేస్తే minus 14. Subtraction చేస్తే minus 5. Splitting terms. n square plus 2n minus 7n minus 14 equals 0. So what is the common? N is common, n plus 2. So what is common? Minus 7, n plus 2 is equal 0. So both sides which common? N plus 2 into n minus 7 is equal 0. N plus 2 is equal 0. N equal to minus 2 is not given. So number of terms negative lo undakudu. N minus 7 equals 0. N equal to 7. So n equal to minus 2 is not given. So n equal to 7. So what is the find the a value? N value find out and a value. A is equal from first equation. First equation. A is equal 6 minus 2n. First equation number 1 substitute. 6 minus 2 into 7. 6 minus 14. 2 7 are 14. A is equal, so directly write how much? Minus 14 lo 6 subtract out the 8. Big number symbol minus. So last step A value minus 8. Okay, can I ask question? No problem. Right. So very important. Okay, write down next problem. Given L is equal 28, S equal 144 and there are total 9 terms. Find A. Only first term is find out. Write down question. First understood the question. L means last term. L means last term or AN. S means sum of n terms. How many terms? There are total 9 terms. What is meaning 9 terms and n equal 9 meaning? 9 terms. Terms and a word in pisane 9 gurtu n gurtuku ravali. Terms and a word n. N equal to 9. Okay. What is the given? N equal 9. So given last term. So given last term L or AN, no problem. 28 is the first equation. And second condition, sum of n terms, that is meaning S9. S9 equal to 144 is given. Okay, only find A. Okay, Sn antam actual ga n value how much? 9 terms. Okay, Sn equal to 144, S9 equal to 144 avutundi. Okay, just given it. Okay, AN formula. Which formula will apply? AN. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 28. A is the find out. So where is the common difference is not given. Okay, 1 second. Okay, simple problem. L means last term. Last term. L is equal to 28 and number of terms total 9 terms. So and also given Sn equal to 144. So S9 means Sn means S9 equal to 144. Okay, n value 9. Sn formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S9 is applied 9 n plus 9 n by 2, but 2a plus the last term is given. This is not using. Which formula use? A plus L is used. So A value find out Charlie. L means last term. This value substitute. Okay. So ఇక్కడ 2a plus n minus 1 into d అవసరం లేదు ఎందుకంటే L ఉంది అంటే లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఉంది. సో n by 2 అంటే 9 by 2 a plus L value 28 is equal 144. ఎలా వచ్చిందంటే ఈ స్టెప్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ఓకే. So 9 by 2 is reciprocal right side. A plus 28 is equal 144 into 2 by 9 cancellation. 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9, 5, 9 6 ja 54. A plus 28 is equal 16 into 2, 32. 2 by 1 means 2. A plus 28 is equal 32 plus 28 is transposing minus 28. So A value how much? 4. Right. So that is the first term A.
Next problem. Write down fourth problem. The first and the last term of an AP and 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Write down question. The first and last term underline. So first term A is equal 17, last term L is equal 350. Common difference D equal 9. How many underline చేయండి. How many అంటే n find out చేయాలి. Terms అన్నాడు కాబట్టి n. How many terms అంటే n and their sum అంటే Sn కూడా find out చేయాలి. Write down question. Okay, in this problem the first and last term of AP 17 and 350 respectively. In AP the first term A is equal 17 is given and last term L equal 350 given, and if the common difference is 9, common difference what is mean? D is equal 9. How many terms? How many means n is find out and their sum means Sn find out. Okay, for example, in case n value is 38, so what is the find out? S38 is find out. Okay, so okay, what is the condition? Only one condition is there. Last term L equal 350. Last term which formula? An. Last term means An. An equal 350. An means A plus n minus 1 into D is equal 350. So what is the value of A? 17 plus n value find out. N how much? Find out n minus 1. D is also 9 is equal 350 plus 17 is transposing. N minus 1 into 9 is equal 350 minus 17. So n minus 1 into 9 is equal, so 350, 17 subtract to there 3. So 4 lo 1 subtract to the 3. So 333. Okay, 333. Next, n minus 1 is equal 333 by 9. So 9 will cancel. 9 1 ja 9. 9 3 ja 27. 6 is there. 9 7 ja 63. n minus 1 equal to 37. N is equal 37 plus 1. N equal to how many terms? 38 terms. So what is the find out? Sn. Sn means formula. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 now, plus n minus 1 into D. S38 is find out. 38. So last term already is given. How much last term? 350. So simply form A plus L. A plus L. Simply formula. 38 by 2. So first term A is equal 17 plus last term is given, got no problem, 350. Last term is given. So A is equal 17, last term 350. So 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. 19 into 350 plus 17. Addition 367. So multiply 367 into 19. So no problem, 19 table directly or 9 table directly. 9 7 ja 63. 9 6 ja 54. 54 of 6 60. 9 3 ja 27. 6 33. Into 1 7 ja 1 6 ja 1 3 ja 3796. So very important problem. 6973. Okay, write down. So very important problem. Go to next problem. Write down fifth problem. Find the sum of first 51 terms of AP whose second and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. Write the question. Okay, next problem. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So please observe the question. Sum అనే వర్డ్ వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ. Sum of 51 terms అంటే S51. That is meaning S51 is find out. Okay. So conditions. on NAP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18. Second term in AP, what is second term? A2. Okay, in AP, second term, how much? 14. Next condition, third term, how much? 18. So two conditions is there. What is the second term? A2 is equal 14. What is A2? A plus D is equal 14. Equation number 1. Third term means A3 is equal 18. A3 how to write? A plus 2D is equal 18. Equation number 2. From 2 minus 1 we get. From 2 minus 1 we get. So write A plus 2D is equal 18. Equation number 2. A plus D is equal 14. Equation number 1. Minus. So plus unte in this column minus. Plus unte minus. Cancel. 2D lo 1D bote only 1D. 18 lo 14 bote D. D value substitute in equation 1. D value substitute in equation 1. So D value substitute in equation 1. Okay, A plus D equal to 14, equation number 1. A plus D equal to 14, equation number 1. So A plus D value 4 equal to 14 plus 4 transposing right side minus 4. A is equal to how much? First term and last. And first term is equal to 10 and common difference equal to 4. What is the find out? So what is the find out? Yes, 51. So to find sum of first 51 terms. So last term is not given. What is the given? 51 term means n value 51 meaning. Term and n gurtukurala. How many terms is there? 51 terms. And n value 51. A value, say how much? A value 10 and D value 14 will apply. So yes, here natural formula n by 2. Last term is not given. 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Last term ivanappudu. Yes, 51 is equal 51 divided by 2. 2 into a value 10 plus n value 51 minus 1. D value how much? 10. 51 divided by 2. 2 10 are 20. 51 into 1. 50 into 10. 51 by 2. 20 plus 500. How much? 520. 520. Cancellation. 2 1 are 2. 2 2 are 4. 2 6 are 0. So last line. Yes, 51 is equal 51 into 260. So we'll multiply 260 into 51. So last 2 1 0. 6 2. Multiplied 5 6 are 30. 5 2 are 10. 30. 13. So 1 3 2 6 0. So yes, 51 equal to 13,260. Okay, right down. So very important. Okay, small correction, sorry. So D value how much? 4 equal substitute. So D value 4, A value 10. So D value not 10 ma. D value 4 is substitute. 50 into 4. Okay. 51 by 2, 20 plus 15 4 ja 200. Small correction. So 51 by 2 into 220. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 0. 51 S51 is equal 51 into 110. 15 1 ja 11 1 ja 11, 11 5 ja 55 1 56. So 5610. Okay, please correction. Write down. So in the step like 2 lines write down. Write down seventh problem. Show that A1, A2 and so on AN and so on from an AP where AN is defined as below. First problem, AN equal to 3 plus 4n. Second problem, AN equal to 9 minus 5n. So second problem, AN equal 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. Find out. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. Okay, please observe the question. Show that A1, A2, A11, AN form of an AP. First problem, what is the proof? Show that and first term, second term and so on. Prati term kuda AP form lo undali. What is the condition AP? What is mean? Common difference same in each successive term. Common difference same ఉండేటట్టు proof చేస్తే so అవి form AP లో ఉంటాయి. So where AN is defined as below. AN value అంటే nth term is given. AN nth term 3 plus 4n. And also find a sum of 15 terms. So n value how much? N equal to 15 terms. అంటే yes sum means S15 is find out. S15 is find out in each case. Okay, first problem sister. So nth term or last term is given by. So nth term AN is equal 3 plus 4n. Okay, AP లో ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేయాలంటే A1 ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ తెలాలి, సెకండ్ టర్మ్ తెలాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం అంటే A1 ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఆల్రెడీ nth టర్మ్ ఫార్ములా వాడే చేశాడు. A plus n minus 1 into d అవసరం లేదు, ఎందుకంటే nth టర్మ్ వాళ్ళే సింప్లికేషన్ చేసి AN వాల్యూ ఈస్ గివెన్ 3 plus 4n. ఫస్ట్ n ప్లేస్ లో 1 ప్లేస్ నా 3 plus 4 into 1. 3 plus 4 1 ja 4. How much? 3 plus 4 7. A2 3 plus 4 into 2. 3 plus 4 2 ja 8. How much? 11. A3 3 plus 4 into 3. 3 plus 4 3 ja 12. 12 plus 3 15. And so on. How many terms is there? 15 terms. How many? So no problem. 15 are AN. So to check common difference. To check common difference. A2 minus A1. A2 11 minus 7. How much? 4. A3 minus A2. 15 minus 11 also 4. So common difference same in each successive term. Common difference is same in each successive terms. Therefore A1, A2, A3 and so on AN are form and AP. Okay. So common difference is same in each successive terms. A1, A2, A3 also are AN form and AP. AP lo unnai, so no problem. Okay, therefore first term A is equal to how much? 7. A1 is equal 7. A is equal A1 equal to 7. Common difference how much? 4. So next we have to find out. To find sum of first 15 terms. 15 terms. That is meaning n equal to 15 is meaning. How many terms? 15 terms. N equal to 15. So Sn formula. So last term is not given. N by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So yes, 15 is equal 15 divided by 2 to a value 7, n value 15 minus 1, d value 4. 15 divided by 2, 2 7 ja 14, 15 minus 1, 14 into 4, 14 4 ja 56. So both are added. 56 plus 4, 60 plus 10, 70. 7 1 ja 7, 35 ja. 15 into 35. So 35 into 15, no problem. 15 5 ja 75. 15 3 ja 45 and 7, 52. So yes, 15 turns equal to 525. Okay, write down. So important. Write down next problem. So next problem, 9 minus 5n. Okay, write down question. Write down question. Same problem. Show that A1, A2 and so on AN form an AP where AN is defined as below, and also find sum of 15 terms and n equal to 15, sum and SN and S15 is find out in each case. First you have to find out AP series lo unnaya leda find out cheyali. Given nth term AN equal 9 minus 5n. Given nth term AN equal to 9 minus 5n. So first A1 substitute. 9 minus 5 into 1. 9 minus 5, how much? 4. A2. 9 minus 5 into 2. 9 minus 5 2 ja 10. Big number minus 1. A3. 9 minus 5 into 3. 9 minus 15. How much? Minus 6. Big number symbol. So and so on. So to check common difference, A2 minus A1. A2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 minus 1 minus 4. A3 minus A2 minus 6 minus ikkada minus undi, again minus undi, minus 1. Minus 6 plus 1, how much? Minus 5. So both are same. So common difference is same. Common difference is same in each successive terms. Therefore, A1, A2 and so on AN, A1, comma, A2, A3 and so on AN form an AP and AP. Therefore, A value, so D value how much? Minus 5. A value how much? A1 equal to A equal to positive 4. To find sum of first 15 terms. 15 means n. N equal to 15. So same formula, Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, 15. 15 divided by 2, a value 4, n value 15 minus 1, d value how much? Minus 5. 15 divided by 2, 2 4 ja 8 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into minus 5. 15 by 2, 8 plus into minus, minus 14 5 ja 70. 15 by 2, how much? Subtract yourself, minus 62. 70 la 8 was 62, big number symbol minus. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 1 ja. 15 into minus 31, plus into minus, minus 31 15 తో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే 15 1 జా 15 15 3 జా 45 46 minus 465. Okay, write down. So very important, eighth problem, chala important. Write down question. If the sum of the first n terms of AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? Remember, the first term is s1. So underline first term a1 అనేది s1 కి equal. What is the first two terms? First two terms sum. Sum అనే వర్డ్ అండర్లైన్ చేయండి. Sum of first two terms means s2. What is the second term? Second term means a2. Similarly, find third term a3. The 10th term means a10 and the 9th term is an. Okay, write down question. Very important. Okay, if the sum of the first n terms of AP is 4n minus n square, what is the condition? In AP series law, so the sum of the first n terms of AP means sum. Sum అనే word use చేసినాడు కాబట్టి given Sn is equal 4n minus n square is given. Okay, sum of, so formula apply చేయకుండా Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d మొత్తం సింప్లికేషన్ చేసి మనకు 4n minus n square అనే ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చేశారు డైరెక్ట్ గా. సో Sn equal to 4n minus n square. Okay, so what is the find out? Find the first term. First term is equal to the which term కి ఈక్వల్? s1 అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ కి ఈక్వల్. ఓకే, కండిషన్ లో ఇచ్చాడు ఏమని ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి క్వశ్చన్. ద సమ్, ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్? రిమెంబర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ s1. a1 ఏమవుతుందో s1 అదే అవుతుంది. రెండోది సమ్ అనే వర్డ్ అండర్లైన్ చేసుకోండి. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ టూ టర్మ్స్ ని యాడ్ చేస్తే s2 వస్తుంది. అంటే a1 ప్లస్ a2 ని యాడ్ చేసింటే ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ సెకండ్ టర్మ్ ని యాడ్ చేసింటే s2 వచ్చింది. a2 అంటే సెకండ్ టర్మ్, a3 a10 ఇవి నో ప్రాబ్లం. a2 అంటే డైరెక్ట్లీ a ప్లస్ d రాసుకోవచ్చు, a ప్లస్ 2d రాసుకోవచ్చు, a ప్లస్ 9d రాసుకోవచ్చు. an అంటే a ప్లస్ n మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ d అని రాయొచ్చు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్? ఇవన్నీ s1 కనుకుంటే a1 అనుకోవచ్చు. s2 రావాలి అంటే s2 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. బట్ a2 రావాలంటే s2 లో నుంచి a1 ను సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. సో ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. s1 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నా. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 1 ja 4, 1 square అంటే 1. So 3, first term 3. s2 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 2 ja 8, 2 square value 4. ఎంత వస్తుంది? 4. s3 4 into 3 minus 3 square is equal 8. Sorry, 4 3 ja 12 minus 9. 12 లో 9 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతే 3. So and so on. ఇలాంటి s4 no problem. s4 4 into 4 minus 4 square. 4 4 ja 16. 4 square అంటే 16 minus 16 0. వస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. ఇది జస్ట్ s1. ఓకే, s1 అనేది దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అంట? ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఈస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ a1 అనేది ఏ వాల్యూకి ఈక్వల్? s1 కి ఈక్వల్ అన్నాడు. కండిషన్ హౌ మచ్ s1? 3. ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సెకండ్ టర్మ్ a2. హౌ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ a2? సో ప్లీజ్ అబ్జర్వ్, s2 అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంది? సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ టర్మ్స్ ని యాడ్ చేస్తే s2 వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ను సెకండ్ టర్మ్ ని యాడ్ చేస్తే s2 వస్తుందని మీనింగ్. a1 అంటే ఎంత? ఇక్కడ 3. a1 వాల్యూ 3 ప్లస్ a2 కనుక్కోవాలి, ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి a2. s2 వాల్యూ హౌ మచ్? s2 is equal 4. So a2 equal 4 minus 3 how much? 1. That is the value is 1. Okay, a2 అంటే ఇక్కడ రాసుకోవచ్చు. s2 టర్మ్ లో నుంచి a1 టర్మ్ ను సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. సో 4 minus 3 ఎలా వచ్చిందో అక్కడ రాసినాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ టర్మ్. Next, A3, how to find out third term? Third term is equal A3. A3 అంటే means S3 అంటే ఏంది? ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్, సెకండ్ టర్మ్, థర్డ్ టర్మ్ ని యాడ్ చేస్తే S3 అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ 3 టర్మ్స్ అంటాం. అంటే ఇక్కడ A1 వాల్యూ తెలుసు. A1 వాల్యూ హౌ మచ్? 3 ప్లస్ A2 వాల్యూ కూడా తెలుసు. హౌ మచ్? 1. A1 వాల్యూ 3, A2 వాల్యూ 1. A3 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ S3 వాల్యూ హౌ మచ్? S3 is equal 3. S3 equal to 3. So 4 plus A3 is equal 3. A3 is equal 3 minus 4. How much? Minus 1. So that is the value minus 1. How to find out? S3 minus of A1 plus A2. Subtract చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. A1 plus A2 how much? S3 value how much? 3 minus A1 plus A2. A1 value 3, A2 value 3 plus 1. How much? 4 minus 1. This is the A3 term. Okay, what is the next find out? A10 AM. A10 అంటే A plus 90. 90 కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో అని ఇలా వస్తాయి. సో A1 write down first. A1, A2, A3 already in AP అన్నారు. సో A ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ 3 కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ హౌ మచ్? 1 minus 3 how much? Minus 2 వస్తుంది. A10 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ write down these steps. Write down these steps. Okay. A1, A2, A3 and so on. AN ఎన్నైనా ఉన్నాయి. Or in AP ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ A1 A equal to A1 అవుతుంది. A1 వాల్యూ 3. కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ A2 minus A1. A2 వాల్యూ 1 minus 3. How much? A1 value minus 3. So how much? D value minus 2. What is the find out? A10. A10 means A plus 9D. Okay. A plus 9D. So A value 3 plus 9 into D value minus 2. 9 plus into minus minus. 9 2 ja 18 minus 50. A10 value minus 50. Next, what is the find out? AN is find out. AN formula A plus N minus 1 into D. A value 3 plus N is not given. N minus 1. How much? D value minus 2. 3 plus into minus minus N into 2 2N. Minus into minus plus 1 2 ja 2. ఇక్కడ plus 3 plus 2. How much? Plus 5. 5 minus 2N. That is the nth term of AN. Okay. So even yourself. Write down. Okay, write down. So very important. Okay, write down. So very important problem. Thank you.